Not yet, Papa. If I can do that to this.
Eh?
Oh, right, isa mo. Parang kamu dia. Ini
Say if it's all accurate, if it's
I think
all
that's
correct.
60%
That's your previous
yeah, the money heights. Yeah, that's home up there.
Well, we can, if you want, we can change those details, but it's all accurate. Yeah.
Also, you just take
Yeah.
it.
That's up to you.
You change it, eh?
So I put this up with them,
Right.
and then I move it on the sheet.
So this is the updated step. So let me show
Okay,
that.
just there we go. Right.
Fellow Fijians, my staff and I have just registered to vote, so I would like to encourage all of you who are eligible to do so as soon as possible. Navale.
First of all, thank you very much for attending this mobile voter registration drive at the office of the President. As you witnessed, His Excellency the President himself updated his voter card, and he also checked and verified his details in the National Register of Voters. That being said, we would like to, the Fiji Elections Office would like to announce that we have decided to extend the 2017 nationwide voter registration drive by one more week due to the increased interest that we are seeing around the country. The voter registration drive, which is now into its 6th week, has already resulted in 152,092 voters accessing services in all 4 divisions. In these last remaining few days, we've seen more interest from voters than we have in the previous weeks that the registration drive has been running. The registration drive has been well received by voters, and it's befitting to extend the drive for an additional week to ensure that all eligible Fijian citizens can take advantage of the services that we are offering. The interest shown by the public is notable, and we anticipate more voters will access services during the remaining week and for the extension period of one more week that we have now announced. The nationwide voter registration was to have ended on July 1st, but will now end on July 8th, 2017. The message for voters, for Fijians, is that we are conducting mobile voter registration at their convenience. We can be at your office, at your corporate organization, at your convenience. So you take out a few minutes Do your registration, check your voter details, and then you can go back to work. We have a team at the Elections Office who you can get in touch with, and then they will make the necessary arrangements. The President's Office is a perfect example. They responded to our call for the mobile voter registration. Also worth pointing out is that we also have teams that cater for voters with disabilities. If you can't leave your home or if you can't attend to one of our registration centers, we will make the effort to go to your house or wherever you may be to ensure that you are registered. Provided that all the details are available, all the requirements have been met, we will register people who aren't able to attend to the registration centers. The last thing and the most important thing that we want to point out is with this extension that's been announced, the registration will end on July 8th. This is an important time for voters to check their details in the National Register of Voters. It's on display. We want people to be sure that their voter details are correct, that they know the correct polling venue, and that come the election time there won't be any issues with regards to their records and their details in the National Register of Voters. Thank you very much.